talk about right now, like this spot where we're at right now is one of many reasons why you should start your own business and get it automated. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe, all that social stuff, because we've got some good content coming in to you today. Okay, so we're gonna bring you our top 4 things to help automate your business so that you can go on a trip to some, what's this called? A bunker. No, Jared's behind the camera. What's this called?
I don't remember.
Tabletop? I don't know. We are in Hawaii somewhere in this really cool place. And tomorrow we actually are launching one of our biggest sales of the year. It's a big Easter sale. And because everything was set up beforehand, we actually get to step back and have a family vacation. So the 4 things that we're going to talk about today are, Kayla?
Trello, blocking out time.
And the 3rd and 4th are, I'm on vacation, I have vacation brain. Hiring and batching your work. That's right. I did that before I left. And so anyway, like guys, those are the 4 things that have allowed us to be able to take off from our vacation, or take off from our business so we can be on vacation. Like, you run your business, don't let your business run you. So we're gonna dive down into each 4 of those in this video. Here we go.
So number 1 is Trello. Trello is a free business management website where you can go line up all of your stuff and your assignments and everything you need to do and assign it to people. It is fantastic. I use it, my mom uses it, lots of people use it. We highly recommend it.
So I want to talk to you about batching your work, and I've got Bridges here.
Oh, I was trying to shade you.
Trying to shade me. So what batch working is, I'm gonna set my phone down, it is so I can talk with my hands, because I need them. So let's say you're thinking about all your Instagram posts that you have to do. And every day you wake up in the morning, you're like, oh, I gotta post on Instagram. Oh, I gotta post on Instagram. Then your brain goes into like freak out mode, right? But batch working is if you can take an entire month and plan out what you're going to do and then pre-schedule it all. And you guys, I'm trying not to bust up laughing because Jared is holding my camera right now and there is a tree that is attacking him right now. This is what we need to be Instagramming. But if you can think about an entire month, and I'll actually put a link in here of some ideas for you to post on Instagram. Just get the link and then it will shoot over to your Facebook Messenger. And what it's going to do is it's going to allow you to live a free brain. Like, it takes so much energy and effort to figure out what you're going to post every single day. But if you can sit down the first of every single month, have a plan, schedule it out, and then the rest of the month you can actually be present for your customers. When they are in there responding and commenting, you can be there with them instead of taking all that brain thought and thinking, oh, what am I going to post today? That takes up so much energy. It's like almost a dreaded question of, what's for dinner? But if you can plan out the entire month, get it pre-scheduled, then it's going to leave you so much brain power to be able to serve your customers, to be able to serve your audience 1,000 gajillion times better. So you guys, in the comments down below, leave me a I'm in if you will promise to start batching your work. You can do that with Instagram. You can do it with Facebook. You can do it with your photography. You can do it with your sales. You can do it with your emails. Batch your work, and I promise you it will save you so much time, effort, energy, frustration, and allow you to go on a trip to Hawaii with your family.
Number 3 is blocking out time. If you block from this time to this time and get everything you need to get done with no distractions, turn off your cell phone, turn off everything, and you just work from that time, you'll get so much more done, it will be so much more productive, and you'll be able to get everything done you need to so you can go spend vacations with your family.
And number 4, the last one, this one actually, a lot of gratitude going into this one. It's hiring people. Hiring people that I love working with. I get to choose who I get to work with, and they become, I don't know, they're just special people to me because I invest so much time, effort, and energy into them, and then in return, they do that to me. I know that my systems are being watched over right now. I know that things are being taken care of, and then I can go back and like look at those Trello boards that Michaela was talking about earlier and making sure that things are happening. And by setting them up on that process, they know exactly what to do, what's expected of them. And together we work as a team, where when they go on vacation, I can totally support them. And when I go on vacation, they can totally support me. So hiring, it's so scary to do it your first time. You can start off small and hire them just for one single task. That's it. Make sure you like them. And then hire them if you like them for another task if you like them. I probably should do a video on hiring because it has done so much for me, my business, and my soul. All right, we hope you like those 4 topics about how to get your business, you in control of your business instead of your business controlling you. What should they do, Kayla?
Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, all of that social stuff.
And don't forget there's a link down below to give you Instagram topic ideas so that you can batch that work. You guys, I'm waiting for your comment. We are waiting for you. I'm gonna make her look for your comments too. Yay. To make sure that you get these systems set up. And we are getting eaten by mosquitoes here.
We will see you next time.
In Hawaii. Bye.